So I was on a call today with Pinterest, and for this beta testing, they're doing some beta testing on something, and I'm a part of the beta testers. And one of the questions they had asked us was about like comparing the different platforms. And one of the things that was brought up between the group was that people never really ever hear someone say that they got burnt out from Pinterest, from leveraging Pinterest, from marketing their business on Pinterest. But you always hear people talking about how they are burnt out from like specifically like social media platforms such as Instagram. And it makes me think like that is really so true, because a lot of times with Pinterest, it's a lot of set it and forget it. Like I schedule out my pins, and that's that. The only time I show up now is to post an idea pin a couple of times a week. But really, I set it and forget it. It's not like Instagram where I have to think about, I need to do engagement, I need to show up more, I need to be on my stories, all these things that can really burn you out. I love Pinterest. So the whole moral of that story is that if you have not signed up for my free training to learn the 3 P's of Pinterest success, so that you can start leveraging Pinterest and probably not be so exhausted by social media like this platform, which we all love, but it's very draining at times. Wouldn't it be nice to have something that does not burn you out? So learn about Pinterest with my free training. I will link it here, and yeah.